Welcome to Dave Educator once again. Uh, One more question from definite integral. So this time we have integral from 0 to pi over 2 cot x over cot x plus cosec x dx equals to m times pi plus n. Then we need to find m into m times n. Again, this question is from the prestigious uh, competition ITJ 2019 men. So we have 0 to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2 cot x over cosec x plus cot x dx equals to m times pi plus n. See what we can do in this question. Again, the denominator gives a field that if we multiply by cosec x minus cot x, cosec x negative cot x, this will give us cosec square x negative cot square x, that is 1. An identity is there, cosec square x minus cot square x is 1, the basic identity, trigonometric identity. So what we do, we can write it 0 to pi over 2 cot x times cosec x minus cot x and divide by cosec x plus cot x times cosec x minus cot x dx. And this is equals to m times pi plus n. So we have from 0 to pi over 2 cot x into cosec x minus cot square x in the numerator, and in the denominator we have cosec square x minus cot square x. We know the identity cosec square x minus cot square x is 1, so we can rewrite them. This is equals to m times pi plus n. So 0 to pi over 2 cosec x cot x minus cot square x divided by 1 dx. Now what we can do, we can separate these two terms, and they are the basic standard integral. So we can easily find the integration of that. 0 to pi over 2 cosec x cot x dx minus 0 to pi over 2 cot square x dx. And this is equals to m times pi plus n. So this becomes cosec x, the integration of cosec x cot x is negative cosec x, and integration of cot square x is negative cosec square x. So negative times negative will be positive cosec square x. Oh no, cot square x, to cot square x we have to write cosec square x minus 1, then only we can find the integral of that. So here we have negative cosec x, limit from 0 to pi by 2, and from here we have limit from 0 to pi over 2. Cot square x can be written as cosec square x minus 1 dx. And this is negative cosec pi by 2 is cosec pi by 2. Okay. And cosec 0 is not defined. That is the case here. Okay, cosec 0 is not defined. So it's 0 to pi over 2. Okay, and cosec 0 is not defined. Minus, here we have integration of cosec square x dx and minus minus plus 1 dx. 0 to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2. So this will be negative cosec pi by 2 is negative 1 minus defined minus cosec square x is negative cot x. So negative times negative is positive cot x, and 0 to pi by 2 and plus x 0 to pi by 2. So we have negative 1, negative infinity, and again plus cot pi by 2, cot 90 is 0, and minus cot 0 is again not defined in fact, and plus pi by 2 minus 3. So see this non defined term, if we do not consider that, then we have pi over 2 minus 1, and that gets to 1 over 2 pi minus 2. So if we compare, this is m pi minus n, then we have m equals to half and n equals to, it was pi plus n, I think, m pi plus n. Yes, it is m pi plus n. So n will be negative 2. N will be negative 2. We need to find m times n, that is half times negative 2 equals to negative 1. And this will be the answer. D part will be the correct answer. Thank you for watching.